Have you ever walked into a store and suddenly forgotten how to speak English? Maybe you didn't know how to ask for your size or how to ask for a discount. By the end of this video, you'll be able to shop in English confidently, from entering a store to paying and even making a complaint. Welcome back to BBC English Online. Today, you'll practice 100 real English sentences for shopping. I'll say each sentence slowly first, then at normal speed. Pause and repeat after me for the best practice. If you want to improve your English every day, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Section 1. Entering a store and basic shopping, a level. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Can you help me? Can you help me? I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Thank you. Thank you. Where is the cashier? Where is the cashier? How much is this? How much is this? I like this. I like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in blue? I need a bag. I need a bag. Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? I want this one. I want this one. That's too expensive. That's too expensive. It's cheap. It's cheap. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Do you have a small size? Do you have a small size? I need a bigger size. I need a bigger size. I'll take it. I'll take it. If you're finding this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Section 2. Asking about products. A2 level. What colors do you have? What colors do you have? Is this available in medium? Is this available in medium? Where can I find the shoes? Where can I find the shoes? Do you sell this online? Do you sell this online? Is this the final price? Is this the final price? Can you show me another one? Can you show me another one? Is there a discount today? Is there a discount today? Does this come with a warranty? Does this come with a warranty? I'm looking for something cheaper. I'm looking for something cheaper. What's the difference between these two? What's the difference between these two? Is this made of cotton? Is this made of cotton? How long does delivery take? How long does delivery take? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Is this new? Is this new? How often do you restock? How often do you restock? Do you have something similar? Do you have something similar? I saw this online. I saw this online. Can I pay in installments? Can I pay in installments? That's exactly what I need. That's exactly what I need. Great job. Now let's move to more natural conversations. Section 3. Trying and comparing items. B level. This fits perfectly. This fits perfectly. It's a bit too tight. It's a bit too tight. It's slightly loose. It's slightly loose. I prefer the darker one. I prefer the darker one. This feels comfortable. This feels comfortable. The quality looks good. The quality looks good. This one is better than the other. This one is better than the other. I'm not sure about the color. I'm not sure about the color. It's not what I expected. It's not what I expected. Can I see it in natural light? Can I see it in natural light? Do you think this suits me? Do you think this suits me? I'll think about it. I'll think about it. I'll come back later. I'll come back later. It's a little overpriced. It's a little overpriced. I'm comparing a few options. I'm comparing a few options. This looks more durable. This looks more durable. I love this design. I love this design. That's not really my style. That's not really my style. It's worth the price. It's worth the price. I'll take this one instead. I'll take this one instead. Drop a comment below. Which sentence was new for you today? Section 4. Price, discount, and payment. BB2 level. Can you offer a better price? Can you offer a better price? Is there any room for negotiation? Is there any room for negotiation? Do you price match? Do you price match? I'll pay by card. I'll pay by card. Can I get a receipt, please? Can I get a receipt, please? Is tax included? Is tax included? Can I split the payment? Can I split the payment? Do you offer free shipping? Do you offer free shipping? When will it arrive? When will it arrive? That's within my budget. That's within my budget. I'd like to apply this coupon. I'd like to apply this coupon. Can I get a refund? Can I get a refund? The card machine isn't working. The card machine isn't working. I'll pay in cash instead. I'll pay in cash instead. Is there an additional fee? Is there an additional fee? That sounds fair. That sounds fair. Could you explain the return policy? Could you explain the return policy? I changed my mind. I changed my mind. I'd like to exchange this. I'd like to exchange this. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Excellent progress. Now let's finish strong with advanced confident expressions. Section 5. Confident and fluent shopping English. B2 level. I'd appreciate a little flexibility on the price. I'd appreciate a little flexibility on the price. This doesn't quite meet my expectations. This doesn't quite meet my expectations. I was hoping for something more durable. I was hoping for something more durable. Could you check if it's available in another branch? Could you check if it's available in another branch? I'd like to speak with a manager. I'd like to speak with a manager. This was advertised at a different price. This was advertised at a different price. I'd prefer a full refund. I'd prefer a full refund. That seems unreasonable. That seems unreasonable. I'm satisfied with my purchase. I'm satisfied with my purchase. I'll recommend your store to my friends. I'll recommend your store to my friends. Could you clarify the warranty terms? Could you clarify the warranty terms? I'm considering upgrading to a better model. I'm considering upgrading to a better model. I value quality over price. I value quality over price. I'd like this gift wrapped. I'd like this gift wrapped. Is there a loyalty program? Is there a loyalty program? That's a great deal. That's a great deal. I'm happy with the service today. I'm happy with the service today. I'll keep the receipt just in case. I'll keep the receipt just in case. Thank you for your assistance. Thank you for your assistance. Have a great day. Have a great day. Amazing work. You just practiced 100 real English sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, watch my video on 100 English sentences for restaurants. I'll link it above. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next lesson.